As we speak, 98 million children are out of school. So we need all the hands on the deck. We need experience. We need good people so that they can help in creating proper dialogue, in creating proper interconnectivity with the various heads of state, with the various countries, with the various factions, so that we can reconcile our country. And therefore, I want to repeat, in honor of Chakava and all the other people that are here, please let us take this issue of the African Union chairmanship more seriously than we are taking it. It is in our national interest. That is my plea to you, and I hope what I have said will resonate with all reasonable men and women of this country so that we can focus and get our act together. Communication has brought in different things nowadays. What we are speaking here, maybe somebody in Morocco is already listening. What we are saying here, maybe our neighbor in West Africa is at it, and another one in South Africa is. So be careful, because what you say may undermine our national interest. Pana ropoka tu, kila pahali, as if it's a village agenda. This is a matter of national interest. I want to assure him that we are fully committed to devolution. That is the jewel in the constitutional crown of 2010, which Amos Wako steered so well. Devolution is the most innovative, the most pragmatic aspect of that constitution. And we shall defend it. There may be teething problems from time to time, but I want to assure you that we are not going to deviate from the principles and the constitutional provisions of devolution. In fact, the Kenya Kwanza government has been very, very supportive. If the Senate was to follow carefully and the governors were to speak, and they have spoken to this, a lot of the arrears of resources that were pending for years that were due to the county governments, the Kenya Kwanza government was able to make good and pass over the resources, financial resources, required to implement devolution programs. And we are not going to stop. We shall continue. I also want to confirm that I will enjoin myself with what was proposed even for the cultural center or memorial center bearing Henry's footprint. In fact, when a governor, there is land. Henry Chakava was one of the founders of the cultural festival. The county government has given the cultural festival almost 5-6 acres at Mbale. Instead of going to evict people, why don't you make the whole part of the whole complex also integrate the center that we are talking about that would bear Henry Chakava's title? That will speed up the process. It will save the county government aspects of compensating, na tuendelee mbele, and we move forward. So this is something we can all work together on.